David, come to me now. It's time to go, David.
No, David. Come to me. Over here, over here.
Mother! And then the phoenix, the beautiful phoenix, begins to burn!
David! David, come to me now before it's too late!
Mother! Mother!
No, David, no! You'll burn! You'll die!
Hurry, David, before it's too late, please!
Mother! Mother!
David!
Hurry, David, hurry, before it's too late!
Mother!
There are only a few seconds left, David. Don't let me go without you, please. I don't want to be without you. I must have you now, David, now!
Don't listen to her, David. Come to me. You'll burn. David, you'll burn. Come to me.
Now, this moment, David, please, David, please!
Mother!
Don't stop, darling. It'll be too late.
Don't move, David. Don't move.
Mother! Mother!
It's too late, David. It's too late.
No!